At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, we are going to kick it off like this.
Right now, me know say Jamaica people, them a exercise and keep themselves fit, running and gunning. For Monday morning, everybody at her. Me not fi ask you know. The people them just upbeat for take out Andrew. Upbeat in themselves to take out this boy. So I know have to say much you know. I just wait till Monday night. I know say local government, PMP, island wide. No joke about that.
My viewers and subscribers are full time now. Andrew Honest for come out. He do too much things and he get away with too much things. And no matter how the opposition leader fight the amount of things that Andrew Honest do, and the opposition leader come out, and have on the back, I fight for you, and I feel for see that. Uno jump up and I talk about, oh, uno not think Mark Golden can this, uno not think Mark Golden can that. What not talk say? Mark Golden is the what? Anything wanna say Andrew Honest come like you no forget. When Andrew Honest come out and a beat on a bad. When Andrew Honest come out and a mash down the houses them. Andrew Honest come out and say ma put in car seat. Who have on the back? When the student them there Ukraine, who have on the back? With the duty free right now, who have on the back? It's Mark Golden, not Andrew Honest. Me tell us that Andrew Honest is only there for marketing business. Because, look into it, my viewers and subscribers. Horace Chang is a medical doctor. And Andrew Honest decide to make Horace Chang be him deputy. For him deputy, listen to him, I say, not for we. For him deputy prime minister of Jamaica and the security minister. And Christopher Tufton, that is not a medical doctor, input Christopher Tufton over this of be health minister. Tell me if that makes sense. When he could have put Horace Chang for be the health minister and Christopher Tufton then be the security minister. You see, Christopher Tufton, he used to beat Andrew Honest, Before Andrew Honest win, him used to beat Andrew Honest, The same Christopher Tufton, where you see a run behind Andrew Honest like a headless chicken, The whole of them, you see the whole of them is no good. It's all corruption and the whole of them get buyout. My viewers and subscribers, when me telling you say, they get straight buyout of money. You see right now, a money around Jamaica. The Prime Minister a buyout everybody. Even for chicken, for rice, he might buy them out. Just because he want them to vote for him. He go in a night, this money go around and issue rice and issue chicken. All in a broad daylight. My viewers and subscribers, wanna take in the video clip here. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see that? So when people come out and say Andrew Honest, I buy vote, Andrew Honest, we're not telling any lies. We always have evidence. We always have evidence. The last time when you get to the wall on the people figure up on bus, when they are doing meeting, mass meeting I wanna have, you pay the people them. And the people then come out and show we. And then you come and say we are tell lie upon you. No, this is a woman here collect box of chicken because you make sure say you secure your vote. Andrew Honest, you say you don't need political popularity anymore. But really and truly, brother, you need it. Because if you don't need it, you wanna do that. You wanna make your MP and councillors them do them something here. Jamaica people wanna feel wise up and stop make people use wanna like get used. Uno like get used. Uno make man use uno make gal use uno. And uno come and make prime minister use uno. Uno so stupid. A back a wall uno live. Abaka wall uno live, uno too licky. That for sure uno say uno not have no values and uno not have no morals. But me like them things there, my viewers and subscribers, because it's when you see the reason why me like these things, me have evidence and me have proof. So when Andrew Honest come off a beat up in chest and a beat up in tongue and attack, so we are tell lie on him. Andrew Honest, you see hot off of the press, don't tell lie on you. We always are show you up, Andrew Honest. We always are show you up. And when we show you up and you come out and you do certain things and you say certain things, and when we repost it and elaborate on it, you get really upset and you get angry with the bloggers. Like now, this woman I get chicken and them I get rice. Plus at night time when I go around and I issue out food stuff. We know food stuff. We know all about it. And I'm not gonna hide. So this for sure you say really and truly, you're not popular. You're not popular because remember you say no, you don't need political popularity anymore. A legacy thing there. So you want to be known for the country. To the world, actually, you want to be known that you're a criminal. You was a criminal prime minister. And you always a buy vote. And that you want to be known. Well, we don't want no criminal prime minister no more. We don't want it. We want you to step down. We want. And matter of fact, this is why I always come over here and cuss the PSOJ and always cuss the Governor General, because them are labor right, you know. Them are labor right, and they allow Andrew Honest to do as he like, do as he please, and they said nothing about it. When they come out and take out the policy and procedure against Mark Golding, and that was wrong. That wasn't acceptable at all. Andrew Honest go and take out a cabinet policy. And I know so I can't stop talking about that, because what he did was wrong. And Governor General never step in and say nothing. Anything to do with corruption, the Governor General seems to be okay with it. As far as me see, he seems to be okay with it. When it comes to the senator, the House of Parliament Speaker, which is Juliet, all of them are labor right. And anything Andrew Honest say goes. You have to understand, my viewers and subscribers, say Andrew Honest is not there for you. Andrew Honest is only there for the money. And a whole heap of millions and billions he receive, and he can't give a count for it. Where is all that money? Right now, Andrew Honest in a trouble. But because I don't feel to see that, Andrew Honest just come out and I use reverse psychology all the time. You understand? Because him know what I do to unu, you know. He know what I do to unu. He do it every day in our face, and then he come out and say him not do it at the opposite side. So he use him brain, and because of a lack of knowledge, unu not do research, unu don't know what is happening, unu don't even watch House of Parliament to see what really is going on in it. And even if unu do watch it, unu not have no understanding. Unu need wisdom. You understand? But unu fi be smarter than that. It's like uno just let loose. Uno don't care. Uno just make this evil soul just take over on body. You understand me? Andrew Honest is not for uno. And uno shouldn't see what is happening around you guys. Uno shouldn't wait up on the ground. No, say Andrew Honest not do good. Uno say Andrew Honest a build up infrastructure. Alright. But for who? Who is that infrastructure for? Because me sure no say no, uno can't go there so. Them the apartment there, uno can't even afford it. All of the money Andrew Honest put into private sectors. Every single thing we do, private sectors. Who is gaining from this? Not Jamaica. Not Jamaica. It's the investors. And when they gain, then take the money and bring God in yard and build up them place. You understand what I try to show you? So Andrew Honest not do nothing for we. When we are call out to him and I cry out to him and say, help we, because we are sitting down and wait for nurses. We don't have money for this. We can't even buy medicine. He's not doing the things what he's supposed to do. Even all now. So right now, he might try to trick you now. I come give you a little rice because he knows I'm hungry wanga gut, hungry belly. And uno we do anything. Uno worthless. Uno is a set of worthless people. Uno people who are in the green, we are collect things from Andrew Honest and think Andrew Honest care about uno workless. Uno not have no values, no morals. Me not understand uno. Our ancestors could have all spin right now because they fight for their rights, and the uno just get lazy and senseless and worthless, and they back a wall and not have no knowledge and wisdom. It just pain me hard to see the way how una act because una lack of knowledge. And I say it already, I'm going to say it again. Because of no lack of knowledge, we are going to perish. And the sad thing about it, because the people them now, we have the knowledge now. The people them, they having knowledge with uno now. Only God alone are going to have mercy upon them. May I tell you now? Jaja, my viewers and subscribers, it is just really shameful. But you know, again, sometimes me look upon it and me say I can't really beat the green people them, you know, because through the lack of knowledge. But then again, me come back and me say, but wait, too much knowledge in them, man, for uno the back a wall. So me have to beat them bad. Uno need to have sense. Uno need to have sense, man. Have little sense. Beg God for wisdom. Make you understand what is happening. So because somebody come go no one little go no chicken, box of chicken and bag of rice, then uno alright and say so uno go vote for Andrew Holness. No. If you want to take the bag of rice and take the box of chicken, uno take it, but uno vote him out. But then again, some uno not go do that. Some uno not go do that because to uno say Andrew Holness do good. Andrew Holness not do no good. Andrew Holness not care about uno, me tell you all the time. My subscribers, take in Michael Manley.
Our party must be first in studying. You must study. If you're a socialist, you must study. You must study. That's why we start all the great programs, literacy, so that we can bring knowledge. True knowledge is power. You must read. Now I have a book called Manley and the New Jamaica. Uno should find a way to read it. My own little book I write for you is you I write it for. Politics of change is you I write it for. To give you wisdom and understanding. Read it. Make group bite and somebody read it and uno discuss it. Because you must be first in study. Knowledge is power. My last word is for the role of leadership. First of all, the leadership of socialism must walk in humility. Humility. Must be humble. Must be humble. Must always be humble. There is no place for arrogance in the party that I lead. And anybody that is arrogant over the people must get out of leadership. The only one that is fit to lead is the one that walks hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, equal with the people, loving with the people. That's why I don't want no big flashy motor car. I don't want nobody in my party go with flashy clothes. I dress simple. And I drive in a simple little car. And Bev driving a simple little car. Because we must walk with the people. The day we think we're bigger than the people, we have no business to lead. Socialism walks in humility with the people. If you're a socialist, you must have love and concern. And if you are a leader, you must stay close to the people. I said to the leaders of socialism, stay close to the people. When the people are worried and unhappy, don't run away from them. Stay close like a shepherd. Give them love. Give them care. That is socialism.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear what Michael Manley say? Wanna hear what Michael Manley say, my people? You know what? I want to just like and share out this video. Subscribe to my channel, my people. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Also, I want to run over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.